Hi, here Szymon Bochniak from Microsoft 365 at Work. Create and send newsletters to your business colleagues directly from SharePoint Online. I want to share with you the super easy way to create the newsletter based on your news and announcements which you are creating on your SharePoint Online and send it to your business colleagues across the organization using Mail Digest functionality. It is out of the box, you don't have to develop anything. The emails you will create will be formatted very nicely and you can do that in less than 2 minutes. It is super fast, super easy solution. I guarantee you will love it when you will try it. So let's switch to my screen. One of key roles of using SharePoint Online is to build the communication portal based on that. If you would like to do that, the one of things you have to know how to do is how to publish the announcements there or news. It is super easy way to find it because on the landing page of such communication portal, on the plus new button, you will find publish the new post or news link. If you will select that, then you will start to create the new announcement that will be visible for the other users. In the previous videos you can find how to create template which you can reuse every time you publishing the new content, or how to build the multilingual interface based on that. Check the description, you will find the details there. So in this case we will just select blank template of the page and we will create the new post based on that. The newly created page will allow you to gather content which you want to communicate to the end of the users. I always recommend to start with some great graphic on top. You can use stock images provided by Microsoft. If we imagine we want to deliver the information about the new employees, you can always put here the information like we're looking for people and select the new picture which you would like to use in your announcement. Insert it to the post. You can also set there something called focal points, so where do you want to push the focus on the page? It could be something like that. Then you have to publish the title of the announcement. It will automatically gather the information about the author of the post, so this is something very useful. In the content you can also add additional web parts which are provided by Microsoft, or to change the way how it is structured. So you can split the content to 2 columns, add some colors, add some styling to that. Of course, announcements should be simple, structured in repeatable way to make it easier for the end users to consume that data. In the background I will update the announcement to show you how it could look like. In few minutes you can prepare the content that will be announcement about onboarding of new employees to your organization. Very simple way, very simple solution. Having that kind of information will be useful then in next steps to send it globally to the users in the newsletter you want to publish and send to your colleagues across the organization. When your announcement is published on your SharePoint Online, you will be able to find it on your news web part located somewhere in the landing page, and in the same web part you will see the button See All. It will navigate you to the all announcement published on your portal. With the very small button you can easily miss Email a News Digest. This is something really great because when you will choose it, you can generate the email notification which will be sent to the chosen users, which will contain all announcements you want to share with them on the additional way via email. So the only thing you have to do is to select already published, already presented announcements, then select the next button, deliver the name of the newsletter that will be sent, decide about receivers of the email and optional additional message here. When you will create the content that need to be sent, remember that you can put multiple users here. Of course, you can also do one more thing. You can organize how the announcement will be present in the sent email, or you can delete them directly from here. When you will be ready, just select Send News Digest button and your newsletter will be sent to your colleagues in few moments. In few moments you can expect to receive the email notification, the newsletter you did generate. All users you did choose will receive that email in exactly the same format. What you can see very basic information from the SharePoint, so image, headline, some text from the message, date, author, but also the number of views. And you will see that all the links presented in here navigates user to the SharePoint itself. You can see that the structure of the message is very simple, but at the same time looking quite nice. And what is the most important part here, you can generate that kind of the newsletter extremely quickly. If you already publish the announcements, sending the newsletters based on that is just few clicks. I hope you did enjoy the way how you can create and send the newsletter to your business colleagues. The one thing which is also quite important to know, that in future there will be automatic subscription generated for such announcements, so not only you can manually send these newsletters to your colleagues, but also it will be generated automatic email that will be sent across Office 365. Also very useful, very handful functionality. If you did like this video, I would like to encourage you to leave the thumbs up or subscription. This kind of activities will help to this channel to grow. I can imagine that you can hear that a lot, but still I will be very thankful for your support in this area. If you would like to learn more about the SharePoint, about very similar features, you can always get back to my blog office365@work.com. You will also find there additional useful materials like ebooks. You will find the link to the blog in the description of the video. So thank you very much for your time and see you in next video.